Hi, my name is Ruth, and today I'm going to do some Lexia Core5 reading. Here I go.
Get ready to warm up. Choose an activity to begin. This is your high score. Now, this is your high score. Now try to beat it. Look at each syllable and choose the box where it belongs. See how many you can do before the time's up. Ready? Go! Good work!
Level 11, the Swiss Alps. Links. What can you do while hanging up? What can you do while hanging upside down? The Eurasian blue chickadee has the special ability to hang upside down from a branch when looking for food. Cool! The Jungfrau train line leads to the highest railway station in Europe at over 11,000 feet. One ticket going up, please. Did you know you can tell the age of a mountain goat by counting the rings on its horns? Just like a tree.
Here are the vowels that make a sound in this word. There are two vowel sounds, so there are two syllables. Ho, tell, hotel. Watch another one. At the end of some words, there is a consonant followed by L-E. This group of letters makes a syllable. So there are two syllables. No, bull, noble. Now you try. Find the vowels or consonant LE syllable in this word. Then press this button. Tay, bull, table, ho, tell, hotel, tie, toe, title, bow, ness, bonus, mo, mint, moment, then, even, bay, con, bacon, fay, bull, fable, lay, bull, label, may, pull, maple,
That's all we have for today. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to get more new videos. See you on the next episode. Subscribe and click the bell to get more videos. Bye! We'll see you on the next episode. That's all we have for today. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and click the bell to get more videos. Bye!